The Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL is a compact, low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard designed to cater to both gamers and professionals seeking a sleek and efficient typing experience. Design and build. Featuring a slim and lightweight design, the G515 Lightspeed TKL measures approximately 14.5 inches in width, 5.9 inches in depth, and 0.87 inches in thickness, making it highly portable and space-efficient. The keyboard boasts a sturdy plastic chassis with a matte finish, providing a premium feel despite its all-plastic construction. The double-shot PBT keycaps ensure durability and clear, shine-through legends for enhanced visibility. Performance and features. Equipped with Logitech's GL low-profile mechanical switches, available in linear and tactile variants, the G515 offers a comfortable and responsive typing experience. The low-profile design contributes to quieter keystrokes, making it suitable for both gaming and office environments. The keyboard supports multiple connectivity options, including Logitech's proprietary Lightspeed 2.4 GHz wireless technology and Bluetooth. The Lightspeed connection ensures a 1000 Hz polling rate, delivering low-latency performance ideal for competitive gaming. Battery life. The G515 Lightspeed TKL offers commendable battery performance, with up to 36 hours of continuous use with full RGB lighting enabled. For users seeking extended battery life, disabling the backlighting can prolong usage to over 600 hours on a single charge. Overall, the Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL stands out as a versatile and well-constructed keyboard, offering a balance of performance, portability, and customization. Its low-profile design and wireless capabilities make it an attractive option for gamers and professionals alike. Thank you so much.